My name is Rahul Anand, and we run a company called BuildMyPlace here in Louisville, Kentucky. We sell building materials. So think of us as IKEA of building materials. Our operation basically consists of we are a D2C brand serving the home improvement and home renovation market. We sell anything to do with kitchen cabinets, flooring, tiles, uh, bath fixtures, lighting, doors, windows. So some of the products are really complex and needs the manufacturing module that we utilize, and is very complex. And with you all's guys' help, we want to evolve that functionality and seamless the shop floor also, or the assembly floor. So we are going to be using VentorTech for that too. And one of the challenges that initially we faced with Odoo application, that there are a lot of features that are missing in terms of warehouse management system, and that's where the Ventor app came in the picture and has been great asset since last 6-7 years, and has evolved quite a bit, and have introduced a lot of functionality in terms of usability and actual use case scenarios that core Odoo is missing. And I think that's where the Ventor Pro app or VentorTech app really helps us to enable and make our process seamless, from pick, pack, returns to all the way to receiving. So has been a great journey, and pretty qualified people, and there's some complex issues. There's one thing knowing the technology, and there's another thing when you understand the real world use case scenarios. And a lot of agencies or a lot of development companies or software consultants, they're unable to bridge that gap. But VentorTech really does that very well for us, and has been doing that. It has been a great partnership, and thank you, VentorTech.